Everyone this year has been talking about how AI and AI stocks have been absolutely crushing it, especially this week with the announcement that Nvidia is set to do a stock split and the stock reaching a new all-time high. Everyone is chasing the next big AI stock, but few people realize how much AI is affecting copper stocks. Right now, AI demand is sending the copper market into a supercycle, and in this video, I will be discussing an under the radar stock that has emerged as a rising player in this market. I want to thank Gladiator Metals for kindly sponsoring this video. This has been a very interesting stock to look at over the past few days. Before we get into it, if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 300 likes on this video. Help me achieve that goal. For anyone that's new, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new content like this. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get straight into it. So as I said at the start, AI demand is sending the copper market into a super cycle. As we can see here, copper prices have been steadily increasing over the past 6 months. The problem is that there isn't enough copper to fuel this demand, and new copper discoveries are far and few between. This reminds me of the lithium supercycle back in 2020, where the price of lithium increased more than tenfold due to the rise in electric vehicles. Now we are seeing something similar happen to copper due to the rise in AI. That's why I'm excited about Gladiator Metals, ticker symbol GDTRF on the OTCQB and GLAD on the Canadian TSXV. Gladiator Metals is a mineral exploration company focused on the advancement of multiple high-grade copper prospects. This is a company that has an experienced team with a proven track record. They have a Tier 1 jurisdiction, which is also home to some of the world's largest miners, where they have a history of high-grade copper production. Its flagship Whitehorse Copper project in Yukon, Canada, stands out for its significant high-grade mineralization and a potential future resource of 100 million tons of copper at 1.5 to 2% copper equivalent, meaning that Gladiator Metals has emerged as a rising player with the assets, expertise, and financial backing to make a substantial impact. Looking at the recent corporate presentation, Gladiator believe that they have a world-class asset with large-scale potential and are targeting over 100 million tons of high-grade copper resource. The previous owners of the project, Hudbay Minerals, produced over 10 million tons of high-grade copper at approximately 1.5% copper plus gold and silver credits, but Hudbay barely scratched the surface of what this 35-kilometer project holds. Gladiator Metals is advancing rapidly with a comprehensive exploration strategy, including an aggressive drilling plan over the next 12 months. So far, the company has continued to uncover significant high-grade copper and gold mineralization at the project, as high as 8% copper in some drill holes. Now, for reference, anything over 1% is considered high-grade. This is a very sizable project with multiple resource-ready prospects consisting of Cowley Park, Chiefs Trend, Cub Trend, and Arctic Chief Trend, with prospective high-grade zones of copper and gold mineralization. Clearly, the Whitehorse Copper Project is not just another asset. It's a significant opportunity in the copper market, and Gladiator Metals has the expertise and backing to bring this exciting development to the next level. In recent weeks, Gladiator announced further high-grade copper results from Chiefs Trend. Now I'm just looking at the highlights here, but there is a link to this in the description below, so check this out. Results continue to confirm continuity of high-grade copper mineralization at the Chiefs Trend, with assays now received for 20 holes for 3,500 meters of drilling. Assays returned significant copper and gold mineralization, and we can see this highlighted here in green. Remember what I said a minute ago. Anything over 1% is considered high-grade copper, but we can see here that Gladiator's drilling results are showing over 2%, while there is also significant gold mineralization here too. Gladiator CEO Jason Bontemo has stated, "These results confirm and support the significant widths of high-grade copper skarn mineralization identified from Gladiator's data compilation of historical datasets and point to further extensions of the defined mineralized bodies. These results continue to confirm the extent of unmined mineralization and highlight the near-term high-grade copper resource potential of the Chief's trend. But also, 200 meters north of Middle Chief has also encouraged significant widths of grades of copper mineralization, pointing to the exploration potential of the trend, which is being followed up by ongoing drilling. The significant gold assays coincident with high-grade copper mineralization identified in these initial assay results point to the upside potential of the Chief's trend, with the historic drilling only assaying for copper. The drilling of Middle Chief and Big Chief prospects also returned very impressive results, and in addition, significant exploration upside remains with extensive widths of anomalous copper intersected in initial 200-meter phase step-out drilling north of the known Middle Chief mineralization. So what do you think of these results? I'd love to know your thoughts on these results and the overall impact that the copper shortage will have on both the AI and EV markets. Looking at the leadership team at Gladiator, we can see here that they have a very experienced team. The CEO and directors have decades of experience in public company management and mineral exploration, while the company president and vice president of exploration also have decades of experience leading exploration projects worldwide. Gladiator also have a very good share structure, which is great to see. Fully diluted, this would be only 59 million shares, and currently approximately 60% of the entire float is held by management, employee, advisors, sophisticated investors, and institutional investors. The company has a clear vision for 2024-2025, and this is already beginning to take shape. And the plan is to be a $100 million market cap, high-grade copper equivalent resource company with a clear growth trajectory. Right now, Gladiator is trading at less than $20 million Canadian, so there is huge upside potential here. I want to thank Gladiator for kindly sponsoring this video. This has been a very interesting stock to look at over the past few days. Let me know your thoughts on Gladiator Metals and their Whitehorse copper projects in the comments below. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, so I always recommend you do your own due diligence on Gladiator Metals. It's not one that you want to miss. To learn more about Gladiator, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.